Understanding your rights and responsibilities when it comes to vacating rental property can save you from legal headaches and financial loss. Whether you're a tenant receiving a notice to vacate or a landlord issuing one, knowing the legal guidelines is essential. The term vacate has two common legal meanings. When applied to property, it means to leave a property completely, removing all personal belongings. In court proceedings, vacating a judgment means canceling or nullifying a previous court order. Tenants may vacate properties voluntarily at the end of their lease, or involuntarily through eviction. Most lease agreements include specific terms about how and when tenants must vacate the property when the lease ends. Landlords typically require security deposits to cover potential damages, which should be returned after the tenant leaves, provided there's no significant damage beyond normal wear and tear. Tenants have important legal protections when asked to vacate. Most states require landlords to provide 30 to 60 days notice, depending on local laws and lease terms. Many jurisdictions offer tenants a right to cure, allowing them to correct lease violations like paying overdue rent within a specific time frame to avoid eviction. Landlords cannot change locks or forcibly remove tenants before the notice period ends. Tenants are entitled to their security deposit refund minus legitimate deductions for damages or unpaid rent. They can also request a move-out inspection before leaving to address any issues that might affect their deposit return. The eviction process follows specific legal steps. First, landlords must properly terminate the lease by providing written notice according to state laws. If the termination is due to a violation like unpaid rent, tenants may have the opportunity to correct the issue. If the tenant neither fixes the problem nor leaves the property, the landlord must file an unlawful detainer lawsuit to proceed with eviction. Security deposit laws protect both parties during the move-out process. Most states require landlords to return deposits within 14 to 30 days after the tenant vacates. Valid deductions include unpaid rent, excessive property damage beyond normal wear and tear, and cleaning costs if specified in the lease. Many states require landlords to provide an itemized statement detailing any deductions. Landlords have specific responsibilities when asking tenants to vacate. They must provide proper written notice with the move-out date and reason. Follow lease terms regarding notice periods and use legally acceptable delivery methods for notices. In some cases, landlords must allow tenants the opportunity to remedy violations before proceeding with eviction. Many landlords conduct final inspections using move-out checklists to document the property's condition. They must also return security deposits within legally required timeframes. Failing to follow proper procedures can result in lawsuits, fines, or delays in reclaiming the property. For both landlords and tenants, understanding these legal guidelines is crucial. Tenants should know their rights regarding notice periods, property access, and security deposit returns. Landlords must follow proper legal procedures to avoid costly mistakes. When in doubt about your specific situation, consulting with a legal professional familiar with your local rental laws is always the safest approach.